Chris Gentry, engineering manager here at the QUARTZ Corporation, and we engineer rocks for a better world. Magnum provided a total solution for us from start of the plant to the warehouse, all the equipment, all the engineering needed to complete our process. Magnum was with us step by step, revision through revision, ensuring us that they could fill our needs as a company. We wanted to provide our world-class customers with a world-class product, and to do that we needed a world-class operation that allowed us to be more efficient with operations, more environmental friendly, consistency throughout the process, reducing waste, and just overall good employee morale. We feel that we have. We have been up and running for roughly 3 months now. Startup has been fantastic. We've implemented many new changes from our old packages to our new ones. Customers seem to be pleased, and we continue to put the finishing touches on the new process that we feel puts us at the top of the market. I think the interaction with the sales team, the engineering team, providing solutions to changes in our process, different ideas that we want to throw at them midstream, and sticking with us until we got to the complete solution that we desired. When I think about the quality of work, I kind of break it down into a couple different groups. We'll look at the engineering, the layout of the system. We installed most of the equipment in-house per drawings supplied by Magnum, and everything fit. Startup was flawless, so I think the engineering work was top-notch. When you look at craftsmanship of equipment, on the first delivery of equipment, when I inspected, I knew we'd made a good decision due to the nice looking work, welds, paint. It was really a professional job. The anticipation of startup, which went flawless. We were running material within 1 day of Magnum personnel being on site. We had set aside 2 weeks for commissioning. After 1 week, we had all of our operations transition to this new location, being able to make production. What made me happiest is, as with most projects, when you get to the end and it's a success, you look back on the relationships you built with the sales team, the service team, your own people, and you celebrate it together as a success. I think it's the total solution that they can provide, from the sales team to the engineering team to the service team. They're with the customer every step of the way to ensure success. I think the relationships that we built with the engineering group and then the service group, it really gave us the confidence that we were not alone. We had somebody here that was going to take care of us and make sure we succeeded. There were no surprises that caught us off guard. I think through the preparation and the engineering, everything was laid out front. We knew what was coming, when to expect it, and how to install and start up. So it was a no surprise experience. I think two of the big ones is less waste and more throughput through the system, but it's also a better environment for our employees. It's a better visual product for our customers. The bag orientations on the pallet, the visible printing on the bags. It's just an all around better system. I expect us to use this project as a stepping stone into the future. We feel like we have the best employees and workforce in the world. We're not looking to replace employees with automation, but rather create a cleaner, safer, and a more diverse workforce. Definitely a 10 from start to finish, from initial discussions to site visits to engineering to revisions to project management, commissioning, and service. I would recommend Magnum to my colleagues for a total system solution. We feel like we have a world-class production line that we can provide a world-class product. I would say absolutely give them a call. They'll provide a total system solution that you'll be very happy with.